Okay, I was not expecting this one, but Retouch4me have reached out and asked me if I want to test out some of their photo editing tools, and these consist of Fabric, Heal, Portrait Volumes and Colour Match. So I said, why not? I mean, realistically, how good can AI photo retouching really be? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the results of using these tools for the very first time. And to be quite honest, the results shocked me. So before we jump into this and I show you any before or after images, let's answer the first question. What problems do these plugins actually solve? And I say plugins because that's how I'm going to use them in this video. However, they can be used as standalone applications. Now, I'm looking at this as someone who doesn't really fall into the category of a portrait, fashion, or even a casual lifestyle photographer. But I have a feeling that if you're watching this and you do fall into any of those categories, then you might be familiar with some of these pain points. Skin cleanups that take ages, unwanted wrinkles in clothing that never really disappear, adding 3D depth to portraits which can be painfully time consuming, and inconsistent colour matching across images. And that's exactly where Retouch4me claims their tools come in, so I think it's time to find out. Starting off with Heal. Does it replace manual skin retouching? So this one promises natural, non-destructive skin cleanups with a simple click of the button. It does sound too good to be true, but take a look at this. So the nice part about this one is there's no blur or plastic look to the image, and the parts of the skin that we didn't want to disappear, I mean, we can simply create a mask to paint those back in. Next up, we have Fabric. You know that wrinkle that you didn't want to show up in the clothing when you're taking the photograph, exactly where you did not want it? Well, this tool just erases it basically. Yeah, so this plugin basically just erases it automatically. If you shoot fashion, weddings, or really anything that requires unwanted creases to be removed from the clothing, I think this one is definitely for you. I mean, a quick before and after just shows how efficient the Fabric tool is for this sort of task. Third on the list, we have Portrait Volumes. Now this promises a subtle 3D pop. So at first glance, the result looks over-processed to me and not very good. But all we need to do is simply reduce the opacity of the layer to find a happy medium with this. It adds a natural depth to the face, almost like a controlled dodge and burn, if you will, but in seconds. So yeah, I think that's a bit of a win. And fourth, we have Colour Match. So with Colour Match, you can literally match the look and the feel of one image to the other in a few simple clicks. And I mean, by playing around with the sliders here, we can literally add or reduce the effect to our personal taste. Yeah, it's brilliant this. There's actually a lot more that the Colour Match tool can do. So much so that I feel it needs a dedicated video of its own to really showcase what I'm talking about. So the demonstrations are done, we've seen what these tools can do, but the question remains, are these tools worth your money? Well, here's my take. If you retouch images on a regular or even a professional basis, then these plugins are definitely going to save you a ridiculous amount of time. Heal keeps skin looking real, no pun intended, which is actually rare in many cases, especially when it comes to AI. Fabric fixed details that I didn't even notice needed fixing. Portrait Volumes creates a 3D depth that you can easily apply to taste. And Colour Match gives you a distinct feel of consistency throughout your images. Now these are only 4 of an ever-expanding lineup of tools from Retouch4me, who have kindly issued me with a promo code LEE, which gets you 20% off. There'll be a link in the video description for you to check out all of the tools that Retouch4me offer. Now this is an affiliate link, so I will earn a small commission on any purchases, but this will come at no extra cost to yourself. I'll also state that I have not been paid or told what to say in this video. These are my own views and my experiences. So on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.